Okay, this is how you get stuff off of Temu. How to buy stuff from off of Temu. Basically, you can either use the app or you can go on the internet search and go to a website. Basically, I use the app. I just download it to your phone as well. Also, when you're looking for items, you go to the top bar, press and search, and look up your items. Or if you see something on here, you can press on the tab. Say like, okay, like the tablet right here, you can press this. Okay, so and then it's gonna ask you like different colors. You just choose one, add the cart, and then you see the cart at the lower right bottom. You press on it. Then you'll just choose, like, if you got multiple items on it, you just choose from different items on here, and then click checkout. Then it'll ask you for like your address, different address, or the address you wanted to come to. Then you can choose the different ways you want to pay for it. The Apple Pay, Visa card, PayPal. And then once you do that, it'll send you a notification to your email, telling you on like how long it's gonna be before you get it. It's a pretty good app. I've been using it for probably a couple months now. Also, in my description, you can get like a discount on like different items. We have to click the link in my description as well, and it'll help you get like cool discounts and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting up more Temu videos up as well. But I hope y'all like the videos, and thank you.